Yeah, we are live. We are live. Marcus Body Coding Live. Are you excited? Remember, new footwork every day. You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? You want to see the new footwork? I'll show that to you. That's top one. See for yourself. Pa, 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 pa. Again. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that's the move. Simple, easy move, and you can do it in any kind of dance. Let's do it together, no excuses. Are you ready? Yeah, take your phone and do that with me. You can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We tap, then we step back. We tap and we step back. Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Yeah, easy. Again. 1, 3, 1, 3, or 1, 3, 5, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 1, 3, or 5, 7, and 5, 7. Doesn't matter. Yeah, that was an easy move. The name is Top 1. Remember, new footwork every day, and this is universal cha-ching footwork. Yeah! Meaning you can do that in hip-hop, in salsa, in KIzomba, in Zumba, in Bachata, or whatever style you want. And you can do it in today's party. Yeah, today's party, whatever party it might be. Amazing. Wait, you're still here? Even more amazing. Let's do another practice. Are you ready? Yeah, practice makes progress. Not perfect. Nobody's perfect. But everybody can practice. And no excuses. Let's go again now. Face to face. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Do you have also a hat? Cool hat like that? Maybe not, but what do you care? Let's practice. We start with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. We tap. We step to the back. Tap, step, tap, step, tap. You can use your hands. You can point with the opposite hand. Yeah, with the opposite hand. Bam, bam. We can give it a count. 1, 3, 1, 3. Or 1, 3, 5, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, yeah. You can go low and you can go high. You can play with it. Amazing. Just amazing. I can't believe you stayed till now. Makes me a little bit emotional. I take it as a big compliment. I'm alone here in the morning, but you are there with me practicing, so I feel amazing about that. Cha-ching. So I just remind you, practice that move and do that in today's party. Why? Because tomorrow there's a new footwork. Yeah, new footwork every day. And since you stayed till now, I'll tell you a secret. You can practice with me that move, Top 1. Yeah, that's the name, Top 1. You can practice with me Top 1 in the studio today for free. How do you do that? Check the link above, below, on the side. And meet me on YouTube in the studio. Again, full tutorial for free. But what do you care? You have this video, right? Watch it again. Watch the replay of this video here again, or in Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you see this video in. And meet you tomorrow for a new footwork. So see you tomorrow, yeah?